How to deactivate your Facebook account. First, open your Facebook app. You should already be logged in. Find your Facebook menu, tap it, and then look for the settings and privacy, and then tap settings. At the top of the settings menu, you'll see account center. Tap that. Scroll down until you find the section labeled personal details. Tap that. Now tap account ownership and control. You should see deactivation and deletion. Tap this option. Choose the account you want to deactivate and choose Deactivate Account. Enter your Facebook password, then tap Continue again. You can provide a reason for deactivating. Once you're done, tap Continue. Facebook will give you some information, but if you're sure you want to deactivate, tap Deactivate Account at the bottom. And that's it. Your Facebook account is now deactivated. Remember, you can reactivate anytime, anywhere.